Welcome back to the LizardSEO.com video training series on WordPress. This is the fourth video in the series, which will cover changing the appearance of your blog and being able to modify the look and feel of how your blog appears on the web. Let's go ahead and show you we're logged into our dashboard here. On the left hand side you'll notice all of our menu navigation items as well. We're going to scroll down here to the appearance area, which we'll notice right here. You see there's themes, widgets, extras, custom header, header colors, and edit CSS. Let's look at the first button, which is themes. We'll go ahead and click on that. This will load up our theme options. It shows you your current theme first, so obviously that's very familiar. That's our simple blue theme that we've chosen. And then down here is going to be a lot more themes as we scroll down. WordPress makes it extremely easy to change your theme. Let's change to this one right here, Freshie. You'll see an activate and preview button. If you want to go through and preview a bunch of these, you can. It will open up and show you a sample of what your blog will look like with that theme. We like that one. Let's go ahead and activate it. Okay, and if you notice, it very quickly changes our theme over to current theme of the Freshie theme. And now we're going to visit our live blog to see what that looks like. Okay, if you notice, it's applied that new theme. It changed all of our colors. It changed all of our CSS style sheet elements for that new theme. Basically, completely changed the look of our blog just by changing the theme. So that's a great tool to use to personalize your blog to better match your company, better match what you're doing at your company. Again, if we want to change, we just hit activate on any of these blogs. When it loads up, then we can go back here to our blog, refresh, and you'll see that new theme applied. Really easy to change blog themes. Now if you notice here, there's another button called widgets. Let's go ahead and hit widgets. Now what widgets are the elements in your blog that appear in this side area right here. Each one of these elements, search, pages, archives, categories, and meta, those are all widgets that are applied to your blog. So widgets are basically the way WordPress moves in and then removes out different elements from your web page. So for instance here, we're going to expand our sidebar. Now right now it's at the default setting, so this is what loads up in a default WordPress installation. But let's go ahead and add some things in there. We want to add in archives. All I'm doing here is you just hover over the title, grab, and move it over. So let's use that. Let's put, grab that one more time in there. Add authors. Let's go ahead and let's add a calendar over there. Okay, see, we added a few elements to our blog. Doesn't really matter what it is. You can change the title. So I'll put blog archives here. Make sure you do save after each one. Authors, blog authors, save. And let's leave calendar as untitled for now. So let's close those up. We've added our widgets to the page. So now it's been saved. Let's go ahead and go back to our blog, refresh. Now you'll notice all of our side widgets have changed. We have archives, authors, and now a calendar, which we didn't have that calendar in there before. Just to take a look at the different widgets there are available, cover those a little bit. Okay. The first one is the Akismet plugin that basically helps control spam to your blog. Archives shows a title of all the archives in a chronological order by month and date of all the posts that you've made. Blog stats shows your traffic. Box.net is a file sharing widget. Calendar actually shows a calendar on your site which shows when you made a post, so it gives your visitors a visual reference to your post. Category shows all your different post categories. Category cloud is another way to do it. It just basically shows a big cloud of all your categories that people can click on. The Delicious link is a way to integrate with the Delicious platform. Again, Flickr is the same way. Gravatar is a way you can add your Gravatar image to your blog to personalize your blog a little more. Links is a way to add in your blog roll links into your blog. Mevo is just another plugin to use some social media. Meta, that's some login, logout information for your WordPress. Pages list all the pages on your site. The Palatial Map Kit lets you add maps to your site and more geographically plot information on your blog. Recent comments, anybody who's made a recent comment to your blog. Recent posts, again, recent posts you've made. RSS feeds, you can actually use that widget to add external RSS feeds. Now that's not yours, that's an external site. You can add that there to pull in data from those RSS feeds. RSS links, again, lets you link to your own blog's RSS feed so people can follow you and track you. Search is the search box. Social Vibe is, again, another social networking tool. Tag Cloud is what shows all of the tags in a certain page or post in a visual format. Text is very useful. It actually lets you add arbitrary HTML to the side or text. And that's very useful because in previous video we showed you how to add HTML to your post or page. This tool actually lets you add HTML to the sidebar. So in a lot of applications for your blog, that's very important to be able to do. Top clicks, where people click on your blog. Top posts, the top posts in your blog as far as visits. Top rated, people can rate your blog posts, and that shows you how they're rated. Twitter lets you pull in your tweet feeds from Twitter. And VodPod videos, that's a video plugin widget that you can use. So basically, any of these widgets, we recommend just playing around with them to see the different features that they have. You can use any of those to accomplish a number of different things. If you look down here under the Extras button, we'll go ahead and click on that. There's just a few general things in there, not too much under the Extras button. We'll go to the Edit CSS sheet. Now, if you're hosting your blog at WordPress.com, they do not give you the direct ability to edit the style sheet. You actually have to purchase an upgraded version of editing your style sheet. However, if you do host a WordPress blog on another platform, you will have the ability to directly edit the style sheet. For those who know what style sheets are and a little more advanced in their HTML coding, style sheets basically control the display of your blog and how things appear as far as links, text, and other elements like that. So you probably won't have to worry about that too much. So that basically is the elements of style and theme and appearance to your blog, how to edit the appearance and personalize your blog to your taste. There's really not a whole lot more than that as far as the WordPress platform. In future videos, we will cover in-depth videos on modifying a blog actually hosted on your external server. But for right now, that's what the WordPress.com platform gives us. Well, thank you again for joining us at lizardseo.com for our WordPress training video series. Please, as always, feel free to contact us with questions, concerns, or comments that you may have. Thank you very much.